this is Joita Mochi. Welcome to the third session of Fun with Sexual Reproduction with Human. So today's topic is puberty. So basically, what is puberty? So in puberty, what happens is puberty is basically a connecting time between childhood and adulthood. So in childhood, our body has certain things, but in adulthood, our body changes and it's a little different. So what happens is during puberty, our body gradually changes both physically and emotionally so that it can help us to be an adult and turn into an adult body. So it's like the connection between childhood and adulthood. Basic idea, right? So during puberty, certain physical changes takes place in our body, and those physical changes have a specific name, that is secondary sexual characteristics, right? So these secondary sexual characteristics are brought by some sex hormones in our body. So let's talk about female sex hormones. If I talk about female sex hormones, the ovary, which basically produces the egg cells, the ovary of the female body, they releases two hormones. One is estrogen and the other is progesterone. And for the male body, the testes, which basically produces sperm, they have released only one sex hormone, that is testosterone. So these sex hormones in female body and in male body bring about the secondary sexual characteristics in male body and female body. That's basically the idea. Now let's just briefly say what changes secondary sexual characteristics develop in male body and female body. So in male body, first of all, during puberty, beard develops in male, and also their hair develops in the pubic region and in their armpits. Then their voice depends. That's a so big thing. Voice depends. And one of the major changes that takes place is that the sperm production starts in their testes. So testes starts producing sperms from puberty in male body, right? And for female body, let's see what changes takes place. So very major change that takes place during puberty in female body is menstruation or period, which we will be talking in the next session. I'm super excited about it. And another thing is in girls, breasts develop, and ovary starts releasing egg. That is basically ovulation. We will discuss about it in the next sessions. Don't worry. And also in girls, hair appears in the pubic region and armpits. So that's basically it. Puberty, I personally feel it's one of the easiest segments to answer when it comes to exams, because in our class, when sir was discussing, we had a classmate, so he was stating that we don't really have to read this segment of the book, because we can insert it in the exam from our general knowledge, because by the time we sit for exam in these topics, we already have experienced it, right? So it's very easy, and these are the basic secondary sexual characteristics. If you remember the hormone names, that will be fine. And yes, I am very excited to come up with the next session of this series, which is menstruation or period. So stay tuned with this channel, keep exploring life, stay cool. Thank you.